Yeah. So we're gonna do a single arm farmer's carry here, also known as a suitcase carry. I like to do them the way my friend Dr. Mark Chang showed me, which is kind of more of a rehab, prehab corrective exercise. So I don't go super heavy on it. We take really slow, deliberate steps. And I want to think that there's a string on the top of my head pulling me up super tall. And I'm just trying to create balance and stability. So I'm gonna take slow steps like this. And then I wanna make sure I'm not sinking down. So I'm getting tall and fighting for height on every step. And you're still training your grip here a little bit. Stability basically head to toe here. And it's a good core exercise, good for obliques. And the world's leading spine specialist, Dr. Stuart McGill, talks about that if you have any back problems, you want to strengthen your QL muscle. And this is the #1 exercise of choice to do that. Doing this exercise regularly can just make you feel better all around from head to toe, especially if you have any kind of back or hip issues. It's a good corrective to kind of clean stuff up. So just try to create as much distance as you can from the bottom of your foot to the top of your head. Look at this versus this, right? So just make sure everything's up as high as it can go. Like create distance from your hip to the bottom of your foot. Like try to extend that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yep. Stay on that one foot a little bit longer. Yeah.